Welcome back, guys. All right, so today I wanted to focus on skin, okay? But before I jumped on into the face portion of this makeup, I proceeded to doing my eyes. No, just a little bit, but I really wanted to just do like a bronze glow look, along with like popping lips. Yeah, that was what I was going for. So as I said, I'm starting off with the eyes, and I'm using my LA Colors Pro Pimer here, and this is the white one. And you know, I'm just basing my eyelids with this. If you guys did not see my detailed how to apply eyeshadow tutorial, definitely go ahead and check that out. It will be the first link in the description box. So I'm jumping into my Marcel palette, and I'm using this shade here, which I do not remember the name right now, but I'm going to list the specific name in the description box. This is a neutral palette, and I just wanted a neutral tone to start off everything. So this is what I'm using for the transition color. Well, one of the transition colors, you know. So yeah. And then I proceeded to going into my deck of Scarlet palette, and I'm taking this beautiful brown matte shade. This is Sagitarius, and I'm just, you know, layering that on top of the previous shade to give it some more depth. And then I proceeded to using that darker shade from the Marcel palette afterwards, which is just really dark. And this is what I wanted for the crease, because today I wanted to do like a halo cut crease look. No. The problem is here I'm using my pro concealer from LA Girls, but guys, it's going to cost me. I'm so sorry. After this clip, I don't know what happened to the rest of me cutting the crease and blending the concealer. I don't know, that file seemed like it got damaged. I'm so sorry, but I plan on doing more looks like this, well, similar, you know, maybe more colorful and stuff. So please just bear with me. This was the portion where I just move on to lining the eyes, and I took my Sistar Cosmetics liner for that. Then I'm going in with my PETITE-SUE setting spray from Sistar Cosmetics, and I just sprayed my small brush there because I wanted to add some of my EK glitter. And this is just like a white glitter pigment, so I just popped that on over the shadow. No, I did not use a base for this because I didn't want the glitter to come off that opaque. I really didn't want that, so this is what I got. And yeah, we're moving on to the face, and I'm using my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, and this is what we're taking for the glow up, for the moisturizing glow process. So I don't always do this, I rarely do this, but I wanted to be super glowy for this look. I'm just blending that out with my damp beauty sponge. It's damped with water. I'm just pressing this into the skin, and this is just gonna give you a very nice glow, you know. And then I proceeded to applying my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr primer. Now this is a mattifying primer, but I just find that it's not like super mattifying. It kept me matte but glowy at the same time, if that makes sense. So yeah, then after applying the primer, I'm moving on to concealer. All right, I'm using the PETITE-SUE Sistar Cosmetics concealer here in golden beige. Okay, so I'm applying this to all the areas on my face I want to bring forward, and I'm blending it out with my damp beauty sponge. Need to set all of that. So today I didn't want to just go in with my Sacha Buttercup. I didn't want it to be that light, so I took my Laura Mercier translucent powder, mixed it with my Buttercup powder, and I'll put the specific name in the description box, and I just set all those areas that I just highlighted on my face. Now I proceeded to the rest of my face, which I wanted to just balance out since I didn't apply foundation or anything, and I'm just going over all of that with my Milani pressed powder in Warm 109, long time favorite. All my ride or die subbies know this product by heart now. Yes, so I'm just balancing out everything with that, and I also go on the sides of my nose with it as well. Now I'm going back into my deck of Scarlet palette. I'm taking this shade here. This is actually what I'm gonna use to give myself a light contour today. It's not that dramatic or anything. So I go on the hollows of my cheeks with this, and you know, a little bit on my forehead as well. Alright, I'm just tapping in everything, you know, so that we have a nice blend. Now I move back to the eyes a bit, and I lined my lower waterline with some of my Stila Smudge Pot liner, and this is in black. And then I went in beneath the liner to just smudge it out a bit, give it that smoky effect with some of the same shade I took for the contour portion. Now I, you know, kind of popped on a little bit of mascara. This is a Laura Gilla mascara. Now for Illuminator today, for the glow, I'm taking my Artist Couture Sugar Daddy, and I'm tapping this on to all the parts I want to really glow and be pronounced. And oh guys, I love this so much. It gives me that nice bronzy glow effect that I really want. This is perfect. It's perfect for all my women of color. And I kind of just use whatever was left over on my brush to kind of highlight my forehead a bit. This portion is optional. Not everybody wants their forehead to, you know, be glowing like this, but you know, this was how I was feeling today. So yeah, so after all of that, I go ahead and I spray my face with my PETITE-SUE setting spray from Sacha Cosmetics, and I just kind of tap that in with my beauty sponge to just, you know, kind of just press everything in very gently though. Okay, time to move on to lips. And for the lips, you can't see it, I'm so sorry, I didn't even realize I use a regular black liner to fill and line it. And then I'm moving in with my lipstick here from my baby matte collection from Lena Cosmetics in Mystic, which is like a really, you know, dark wine red color, but I used the black liner to make it even darker. Now initially I thought that I wanted it this dark, but then I was like, you know, I want to lighten it up a bit. So I took some of Stephan from Lena Cosmetics, the liquid lipstick collection, and just dabbed it in the middle there, and that's what I did to lighten it up. So I got a ombre effect. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and let me know. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. All the products used will be listed below. Keep on letting me know what you want to see next. This is actually another requested look that I got out to you guys. As I said, I'm sorry about the eye portion getting cut off a little bit, but there'll be more tutorials in the future where I'll do, you know, halo cut crease, so don't worry. But yeah guys, that's it for today, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.